Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers, Fit India, Enthusiastic India, Online Poetry Writing Competition, Prize Distribution Function. On 24th February 2021, a grand meeting was organized in Cuddalore Collectorate Office. It was a combined program by National Service Scheme, NSS, Cuddalore District, supported by Lions Club International, 324A/3, Fit India Project. Members from Creative Writers joined hands and participated in this grand function. An online poetry writing competition was conducted on 26th January 2021 on the topic Fit India, Enthusiastic India. 50 members participated in the competition and their poems were judged by 7 judges. And the winners were Mrs. Y. Princelin Joan scored the first prize, followed by Mr. Arun Prasad. Next, Mr. Lokesh. Next, Mr. Hemant Kumar. And next, Mrs. Sushila. All the members wrote on the given backgrounds. Mr. Thirmugam announced the result on 26th January, Republic Day. Prize winners and best performers of creative writers were honored by the distinguished District Collector of Cuddalore District, Mr. Chandrasekhar Sahamuri, IAS. Members from far and near enthusiastically took part in this mega event. I sincerely thank Mr. Thirmugam, NSS DLO, District Liaison Officer, Fit India, District Chairman, 324A/3, who has organized this program in a very grand manner. The District Collector of Cuddalore District, Thiru Chandrasekhar Sahamuri IAS. From the depth of my heart, I thank our Honorable District Collector, Mr. Chandrasekhar Sahamuri IAS, for his inspiring, enthusiastic, motivating words. He gave a new definition and a brief account of the word fit: physically fit, mentally fit, spiritually fit, soul fitness. We are all very proud and honored to get the certificates and the shield from your hands, sir. In this event, Distinguished Collector Mr. Chandrasekhar released Mrs. S. Sumati's String of Pearls book written by her. Then Distinguished Collector released Mrs. Brinda's poetry collection, Leaves of Life. We are very much grateful to everybody. On behalf of Creative Writers Group, I extend a hearty thanks to all the group members who regularly contribute poems and other materials in the group regularly. Individually, I thank each and every member of the group who made this mega event a successful one. Without all these members, definitely this would not have happened. We are proud to release the anthology Mesmerizing Honey Drops, Rainbow of Verses, Cascade of Poetry, and we are on the way to release many more anthologies, and many more authors are yet to bloom. May this group grow higher and higher, bigger and bigger, longer and longer. It's a long way to go. Art is long, life is short. This is just a beginning. The best is yet to be. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. We will soon meet in the next function. I will be failing in my duty if I do not thank Mr. S. Kumaran, co-admin of the group, Mr. K. Ramesh, who does all the help for me in time.
Hello friends, this is Vijayalakshmi Ramesh from Kadalur. I got the opportunity to attend our Creative Writers function that was held on 24th February at Kadalur Collector's Office. It was really an unforgettable day in my life as I met some of our creative writers friends in that function. Actually, the excitement clutched me on that day from the afternoon itself, and it was overflowed on seeing our Princelin ma'am, who came from Arakonam with her son. Sumati ma'am, she came from Kumbakonam with her whole family. Dr. Raja sir, he came from Ariyalur, and our Kadalur district friends, Usha ma'am, Bharati ma'am, Shyamla ma'am, Fuzzy ma'am, Sujata ma'am, Kalpana ma'am, Tirumugam sir, and our sweet Brinda ma'am. I was very much exhilarated on seeing them. My heart fluttered in happiness and excitement like the newly winged butterfly. I was astonished to see Joan ma'am and Sumati ma'am, who came from long distance. From the depth of my heart, I should thank Brinda ma'am and Tirumugam sir, who created this opportunity despite of many practical difficulties that I could witness on that day. Really, I feel privileged to be a part of this unique group. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, Brinda ma'am, and thank you, my friends.
ஆங்கில ஆசிரியர் முறையெல்லாம் ஆசைக்கு தமிழ் மொழி ஆசி வேண்டுமென்றால் ஆங்கிலம் என்று கூறக்கூடிய அந்த காலகட்டத்திலே கிரியேட்டிவ் ரைட்டிங் இங்கிலீஷ்ல நிறைய பேர் டெய்லி போயட்ஸ் எழுதிட்டாங்க. அதுல ஃபிட் இந்தியா அப்படின்னு ஒரு தலைப்புல ஒரு நாள் நிகழ்வு நடத்தி நிறைய பேர் கலந்துக்கிட்டாங்க. நிறைய பேர் ஆந்தாலஜிஸ் புக்ஸ் ரெடி பண்ணாங்க. அதெல்லாம் ஐயாவுடைய பார்வையை நாம் வைத்திருக்கின்றோம். ஆக இப்படிப்பட்ட நல்ல நிகழ்வுக்கு வருகை புரிந்த அனைவரையும் மீண்டும் ஒரு முறை வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்று இடம் சார்கின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நன்றி ஐயா. நம்முடைய
மரியாதைக்குரிய கவிதை ஒயிட் பிரசிடென்ட் ஜோன் ஃபோர்த் பிரைஸ் வாங்கினாங்க. சார்பாக நடை கிடைக்கின்றோம். எஸ் அருண் பிரசாத் ராணிப்பேட்டையிலிருந்து வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய மரியாதைக்குரிய கவிஞை ஒயிட் பிரசிடென்ட் ஜோன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரைஸ் வாங்கினாங்க. அவங்களை அணிவின் சார்பாக நடை கிடைக்கின்றோம். White Brinda, sorry, Madam is the coordinator for the Creative Writers WhatsApp group, sir. Every day they are writing poems like this, and he is a pillar of that group. S.K. Kumaran, C. Bharati Priya, White Smati. Now our collector is going to release the book which is written by the poet S. Sumati. The next one, the coordinator of Creative Writers WhatsApp group, Madam Brinda. She had published and written Leaves of Life. Leaves of Life Now it is also going to be released by our district collector. Next we are having a number of anthologies, sir. We are going to release the anthology, the first one, Cascade of Poetry written by Creative Writers Group, and Rainbow Verses written by Creative Writers Group, and Mesmerizing Honey Drops written by Creative Writers Group. Madam, please show your writing.
Hi friends, yesterday program was very nice and it was an unforgettable moment in my life because this program was organized by our group admin, ma'am Brinda ma'am. I would like to meet her personally, so I visited her house. I was very happy. Then I would like to meet Principal Joan ma'am there. Then some of the creative writers, Sumati ma'am, Kalpana ma'am, and some other people, we gathered in front of this collector office, and we just chat and we giggle. So it was a pleasurable moment in my life. So we received our certificates and memento there. It is another milestone in this creative writers group. The collector appreciated all the dignitaries there to appreciated our creative group members. So we are traveling in a beautiful path and we are serving the society also. So I thank a lot our Brinta ma'am, and I thank all creative writers who are traveling in this creative writers platform. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Kalpana from CV Group. With great expectation and enthusiasm, entered the collector office, astonished and felt happy to see CV Group friends, and I expect more friends, but only few came. We all discussed and shared a different topic and awaited to receive the arrival of the dignitaries. Felt elated as our friend traveled from long distance along with their families to receive the award. After collector arrival, Thirumugam sir delivered his speech about NSS and CV group write-ups and competition. Felt proud on hearing from collector's voice about our group and book release. Leaves of Olive, Strings of Pearls, Rainbow of Verses, Mesmerizing Drops, and Cascade of Poetry. All face beamed with shield as it received from the dignitaries. Though the time doesn't permit us to enjoy this with selfie and share our CV group friends' memorable moments. Thanks to Brinda ma'am and Thirumugam sir for the dedication and providing this opportunity for us. Thank you all.
Good morning to all. I am Umadevi Arasakumar, a member of this creative writer. I am gifted to be in this marvelous and wonderful group because the group itself is filled with happy writers who fight with their thoughts every day. Each and every writer in our group is dedicated. Brinda ma'am, who has given us an opportunity in this lockdown to flourish with our thoughts. She is such a open-hearted and such a valuable soul. It is the right time to thank her for all that she has done and dedicated towards our group. Thirumurugan sir, who stays as a backbone of our group and helps us in all the technical ways and all the other ways to have a good progress day by day. He keeps on helping us and Brinda ma'am for the progress of our group. I thank you sir once again. Kumaran sir, a great legend of our group, and with his elegant review, and it's necessary for us to search for a dictionary for his vocabulary. Such a person with rich vocabulary. Really, we learn from your review, sir. Thank you for all you have done in our group, sir. And all the legend reviewers, Beulah ma'am, Jones ma'am, and even all the others who review poems daily, helps us to grow more in our thoughts. It's a great platform for us to shape ourselves. I once again thank each and every member of our group, especially Brinda ma'am, Thirumurugan sir and Kumaran sir. And I also congratulate all the winners who has won prizes in the various competition that has been conducted by our group. It's really a gift for me to be in this group. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sumati from Tanjore district. I'm going to share a few words about my experience in the Creative Writers group. Because of that group, a day in my life was made most memorable. I'm going to share about that also. I felt blessed to be a part of this wonderful writers group that is always overflowed with different thoughts. It is Mrs. Brenda ma'am who sowed the seed of writing poetry. All the members of Creative Writers group supported and encouraged a lot with their outstanding reviews. Because of all this, bloomed String of Pearls, my own book of poetry. From the depth of my heart, a deep and enduring gratitude to Mr. Thirumugam sir, who is the real pillar behind the success of Creative Writers Group. With your help and motivation, I had a remarkable pleasant evening on 24th of February. You made my day, sir. My book was published by the Honorable District Collector of Kadalur District, Mr. Chandrasekhar sir, on that day because of the tireless efforts made by Mr. Thirumugam sir. Though we are unknown to each other, sir, you made my day the most memorable in my life. Simply saying a thanks was not enough for your help and support, sir. A deep and warm gratitude from my heart on behalf of me and the members of Creative Writers family. Thanks abundance, sir, for awarding me as a creative writer. Thank you so much for this magnanimous opportunity I never ever thought in my life. Once again, thank you so much, sir. No other words to say. Thank you so much, sir.